Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today, I want to talk about which blade defines me the most. This is a tag from Professor EDC. So, Professor, sorry it took me so long to get this out. You know about my little SD card situation. Well, the knife that defines me the most is something I really didn't have to think much about. Literally the whole time it was in my pocket. But I've owned this knife twice already before. The first time I bought, I'd used pretty much as an EDC. I'd always pick it over all the other knives I had, and I use it for work and everything. It literally got so scratched up that the black traction coating on the blade was pretty much gone from the thumb stud up to the tip. But the thing is, it literally unrecognizable. So about 6 months ago, my wife decided to buy me a present, which of course she's gonna buy me a knife. She knows that's my thing. So she's looking through the whole Benchmade catalog, and she knows that I like Benchmade. You know, she carries one as well, which the Bug Out is her favorite knife. Well, she's looking at every one they have, and finally she comes upon a blade that she literally said reminded her of me. She said, "This fits you perfectly." And that blade was the Benchmade Super Freak. I've mentioned it before that this is my favorite folding knife of all time. I had the regular standard blade version, which literally from here up, it was pretty much satin. I'll say hand rubbed because it was scratched really, really bad. But the thing is, it was so scratched that it was almost shiny. That's how much I used this thing. Well, not knowing that this was my favorite blade, she bought it and literally said that that blade reminded me completely of you. That looks like you. So obviously there's some sort of connection here. You know, this is my favorite blade, and I didn't even tell her nothing about it. You know, of course she's probably seen it in, you know, out the corner of her eye or something, but it doesn't look like this, especially with all that gone. You know, she might have seen the handle and maybe thought, hey, that's the same handle material, you know, you might like that. But ultimately she didn't know this was the blade. And you know, the thing is, we're always upgrading everything in life, our cars, our clothes, our knives, but technically I've never upgraded. This has always been one of my go-to blades, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. So there you go. This is the knife that defines me. Also, while I got you guys' attention, check out D-Tom Knives and Gear. He is actually having a raffle for GARRICORE EDC. So go over there and check him out. I'll put a link in the description. And if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram. Like, share, subscribe. Anything you could do to help the channel will be much appreciated as always. Stay safe out there. See you guys on the next one.